Hello there, so we're going to go through a good morning, which is a great workout for the hamstrings, the glutes, and to an extent the lower back as well. So we want to start with our feet roughly about hip width apart. From here, we're going to keep the chest up, shoulders back. And we have the hands close to the temples. Try not to hold the back of your head, try and keep the hands hovering around the temples. From here, push the bum backwards, you'll already start to lean forwards a little bit, and then continue that hinge motion, so it's at the hips, hinging down until the torso is roughly horizontal with the floor, or until the stretch in your hamstrings is just too much to bear, and squeeze the bum to come back up. Careful not to hyperextend. Once we're up, that's it, we're up. So let's go through that again, bum backwards, down, and up. So from another angle, bum backwards, hinge down, squeeze, and up. For an easier variant, put your hands across your chest, and we do the same again, bum backwards, soft knees, keeping the chest prominent, down, and squeeze. Do that for the number of reps prescribed.